Hello everybody! Chef Stephanie Rose coming to you from the Simple Cooking with Heart kitchen in my home. This is a recipe I've been wanting to do for some time now, but I had to find the right jicama. This is a jicama, a weird root vegetable that's starchy and got all kinds of nutrients in it and fiber, and it's sort of like a cross between a pear and a potato, but it's really juicy and really crunchy. And you really want it to be nice and white and crisp on the inside. And you want to cut this outside part off. I don't have time to show you exactly, but I'm cutting off quite a bit of the outer part. And then I'm going to use my favorite tool. Y'all don't have one. And if you know me, this is a crazy great gadget. And this will give you that instant, beautiful julienne, which is what we're looking for. So you can see I've already julienne some. And then I tried this other little trick with the ginger. I froze it. I read that if you freeze it and then you grate it, the moisture kind of stays in it and it's light and fluffy. Look at that. And then a lot less stays on your other wonderful gadget that I can't live without, the microplane, two-sided. Wonderful. Okay, so what else is going in here? We've got red onion. We have lots of zest. You know I love zest. Bam. Lemon juice. You know I love that. A little bit of sugar. Fresh mint. Mix this up. And this is going to be a delicious, refreshing salad, and you're going to love it. I can't wait to have it. Thank you, and see you next time in the Heart Kitchen. Bye. Ginger jicama salad.